Hey guys, hope you're well. So today we're going to look at creating functions again and doing unit conversions. So creating functions to do unit conversions. Cool. So let's get started. So I've got to I'll define this, then Fahrenheit, I should call it far A. So let's convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. To degrees Celsius. Yeah. So my answer will be A minus 32 divided by 1.8. Then print answer, and so put that as a string. Yeah. So to get the degree symbol, you press Alt, Shift, and 8 on a Mac. Okay, right. And then I need to do the other way around. So define as well. So my Celsius, and that's Celsius to Fahrenheit. And then the answer will be so 8 times 9 over 5 plus 32. So then print the answer. Fahrenheit. Cool. Right. So just do a quick check. So Fahrenheit, say 100 degrees. That's about 37 degrees. And then Celsius. So 37.77. Yeah. You just get the idea. So yeah, just about 100 degrees anyway. Okay, cool. And then what I need to do now is also like convert Celsius to Kelvin. So I'll create a new function, define that as capital Celsius. So that's Celsius to kelvins. And then my answer equals to A plus 273.15. Then print. And then my Kelvin. Okay. And then so type in Celsius. So that'll be 28315 kelvins. And then what I need to do now is I need to do weight conversions. Okay, so define that as kilograms, and then A as well, and then that's kilos to stones. Okay, then my answer is equal to so A times 0.15747. Okay, and then print my answer. My answer there as then that's be stones. And then I've got another one as well, define. Stones to kilos. Then my answer will be so A divided by 0.15747. So then print an answer as well, and then put my units as kilograms. Right. So kg. So if somebody's 100 kilograms, they have got 15.747 stone. And then from stones to kilos, I'll type in the same number, 15.747. That's 100 kilograms. Okay, cool. And then ounces to grams. So define ounces to grams. So ounces to grams, and then my answer as well would just be so A divided by 0.03 5274. Okay, and then print answer. Then my grams there. Then another definition the other way around. Define my grams. So that's going to be grams to ounces. Then ounces as well. So that's A times 0.03 then 5274. Then print my answer. Right. So let's do a conversion. Say 3,500 ounces. Wow, that's big. And then do the other way around. So grams. So 999. So 9923. So 2 to 3.22. I'll just round it up to 4. There you go. Right. So yes, that's another one. And then I'll do ounces to pounds. So ounces to pounds. Then my answer equals to, so 8 times 0.06 into 5. So print answer. Then my pound sign there. And then do the other way round. So that's pounds to ounces. Then answer as well, that'll be A divided by 0.0625. Then print my answer as well. Right, so then we're just going to test it. So say 100 ounces. That's 6.25 pounds, and then my pounds as well, 6.25. Okay, right. Yeah, so it's just a video doing basic conversions. I'll do another one to do with length and so forth. So hopefully, hopefully you will find this helpful. And thanks for watching. So have a great day. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.